sitting outside in a thunderstorm. Okay, we are nuts, or we are what? I don't know what to think about us, about what we're doing, but we are sitting in a thunderstorm in a restaurant. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. I don't know how crazier you can be, but anyway, it's wild. It's absolutely wild. Look at that rain, and we are sitting in it. Okay, crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh, here we go. More thunder, more lightning. The skies are black. You can't see it on the camera, but they are black. Black, black, black. Wow.